Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to work with ed command, a Linux based system. So that is line oriented text editor, and it comes by default in any Unix based systems, and it is just quite similar to nano editors and other editors, just a little bit the change in syntax. So let's remove the current file that I created for testing. Now let's say I want to create a file and write some contents to it. So I will do like ed, and this will start. Now we can type anything to this file, and once we are done we can terminate it and we can write that to a file. We can give a name. So now let's say I want to add something to this file. Currently I don't have anything, so I will just type something. So to add content to this, we will need to press A and hit enter. Now we can write anything. So let's say hello world. This is all about ed command and Linux. So now let's say I am done with typing. I can type anything I want. Now when I'm done, I will just type period and or dot, whatever you want to call it, and hit enter. Now the content is written. Now I can print them, and to print the last line we can do that by typing P and hit enter. Now it shows the last line, and to display all the lines, mean all the content of this text editor that we have written so far, just type comma and then P and hit enter. Now this is going to display all those content that we have so far. Now in order to write this to a file, just type F and then the file name. So let's say test-data.txt, and now I can quit it just typing Q, and if I hit enter, now we have the file, but apparently we don't have. Oh, I guess it doesn't support the hyphen. So let's try again. No worries. I'm going to append something, and the file content is hello, how are you? And let's say I want to finish this. Now let's print all the content. Here is the content. Now let's write this to a file. Let's say test dot, let's say data.txt, and now we have the content of that file. We can print the size of this content, that is 18. Now we can finish this and end up this by typing capital Q. Now we should have a file in the current directory. Yeah, here we go. And if I create that file, here we have the content of that file. So this is the quick tutorial about ed command, our line oriented text editor and Linux system. And in the main page of this, we have a lot more flags about this. So like currently we have this file already. So let's say I want to append something to that, I can do it directly, just ed in that. And now if I press A, now if I get all the contents, nothing. So let's say I want to add something hello world and hit enter period. Now if I print the content, here we have. Now if I write that to the data.txt and quit it, cat data.txt, here we have the content. So that is about line oriented editor and Linux based system. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.